Hello, good morning. Today in online class, we are discussing about the marketing subject. Topic is advertising. What are the what is the meaning of advertising, and what are the characteristics of advertising, and another functions and objectives of the advertising. In this class, we discussing about this topic. Okay. Please, all of the students, listen carefully and take the notes. And you have to go for to make the assignments also. Okay. Now we are going to discussing about the advertising. In the last class, we discussed the market promotion and what is the promotion activities, functions, and why we have to give the priority for the promotions. Like that, these are all the topics we discussed in the last class. Now we will discuss about the advertising. What is the meaning of advertising? Why we have to give the more priority for the advertising? The first of all, what is the history and what is the word meaning of advertising? This title advertising is taken from the Latin word that is a adverter, adverter, A D V E R T E R E, adverter. This meaning is to turn toward, to turn toward. This is a Latin word. This is a Latin word. In the translation, that meaning is that to turn toward. The advertisements are capable and diverting the attention of the viewers, listeners, readers, or onlookers towards a particular brand and also the product of service and idea. Especially the present days, the lot of organizations, the lot of the firms and service sector, non-service sector, production sector, a manufacturing sector, whatever it may be, the main importantly, which the products are to be produced by any one of the company should give to the any information about the product through advertising only to the consumers. That is a main important thing in the present days. The main important function also advertise main important function of the firms also to advertise their products, because the lot of priority to give the more and more priority to give the advertising the present business sector people. That is a main important thing. Then next is that what is the American Marketing Association? According to the American Marketing Association, they given the on advertising definition. What's that definition? Goods or services by identified sponsors. By identified sponsors, especially in the American Marketing Association, advertising is a paid of non-personal presentation. That means without the person, the some of the making of the videos, making of the advertisement sheets like that, the without the presentation of the beings. That means non-personal presentation. The person will be give to the directly without the person will be give to the direct communication. Without that direct communication, they have to prepare one videos on that topic or on that good or on that any product like that. These are all will be come under from the non-personal presentation of ideas and goods or services by identified sponsor. That is a definition of the American Marketing Association. That is the American Marketing Association. The American Marketing Association is one of the main important so different given meanings and other definitions to the marketing and the marketing mixture and the advertising, like that, so on. So, okay. Now, advertising, it is a mainly, it is a indirectly communicate the consumers about the product, that is called as advertising. That is a meaning of the advertising. In this slide, we are going to about the what is the characteristics of advertising. The main characteristics are there. In that characteristics, the first one is the tool for marketing promotion, paid form, and the wide applicability. And the fifth one, varied objectives. Sixth one, forms of advertising. Seventh one, use of media. Eighth one, advertising as an art. Communication, one-way communication. These are all the 9 important advertising characters there. Now we are going to discuss about the characteristics. The first one, tool for market promotion. Tool for market promotion. The tool for market promotion. What is that? The tool. There are various tools used for the market communications, such as advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, and publicity. But advertising is a powerful and expensive and popular element of promotion mix, especially the tool for marketing promotion. Especially, but a lot of products are to be produced. Company, each every product should not be reached to the consumers. The consumers want to know about the different products by through only, because it is a main important characteristics of advertising. It is a market tool for the market promotion. Market promotion is a different types of, but advertising is a one of the main important, powerful, and expensive of popular element of promotion. First is a tool. The second one, non-personal. Non-personal. The non-personal. What is the non-personal? Non-personal means directly the motivate cannot be communicate the consumers. In means indirectly. The some of the, for present, we are seeing that a lot of advertisements. The persons are not to be come forward, and you must be make the you must be take the product, must be purchase the product. They can't be same, but indirectly the persons can make a video or can make a slide or can make a paper advertisement, whatever it may be, can make a photo. By that advertising, it will be go for to the directly to communicate the consumers to purchase the products of the company, because this is the advertising is not only communication, direct communication. That means direct communication means person to person communication. They can't be maintained because it is a non-personal communication. The advertising is a type of non-personal and mass communication with a target audience. A large number of people are addressed, called of non-personal salesmanship. That is a non-personal characteristic. Third one, paid form. Paid form means advertising is not a free of cost. అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ అనేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఫ్రీ ఆఫ్ కాస్ట్ ఉండదు అనమాట. ఖచ్చితంగా మనం ఫ్రీగా చూస్తాం అంతే, కానీ అది ఎంతో ఖర్చుతో కూడుకున్నది. అడ్వర్టైజ్ చేయాలి అంటే మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోస్, మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ స్లైడ్స్, మేకింగ్ ఆఫ్ పేపర్ స్లైడ్స్, making of advertisement people, making of different people, and making of shooting, like that. These are all will be take a more cost for to do the videos, because it is a advertiser, sponsors spend money for preparing of messages, buying media, and monitoring advertisement efforts. These are all will be, it is a cost and cost for to make the advertising. Because advertising, it is a mainly, it is a, we can say that is a paid form. That is the paid form. Next, it is a కాస్ట్లీస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద మార్కెట్ ప్రమోషన్. ఇంకొకటి చెప్పాలి అంటే ఇది కాస్ట్లీ ఆప్షన్ అని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు అనమాట. ఎందుకంటే అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ అనేది స్పాన్సర్స్ కానీ లేదంటే అడ్వర్టైజ్ చేసినట్టే హీరోలు హీరోయిన్లకి పెద్ద మొత్తాలు ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది అనమాట. అలా పెద్ద మొత్తాలు ఇచ్చినట్లయితే ఆ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్స్ ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం అనేది ఉంటుంది అనమాట. కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ కాస్ట్లీస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఆఫ్ ద మార్కెట్ ప్రమోషన్. కంపెనీ హ్యాస్ టు ప్రిపేర్ ఇట్స్ అడ్వర్టైజింగ్ బడ్జెట్ టు appropriate advertising cost anamata. That is a paid form. That is important. The next is that wide applicability. The wide applicability. The next slide we have to share. That is the second one. You can see the fourth one, wide applicability. Especially advertising is a popular and a widely used means of communicating with the target market. It is not used only for a business and profession, but is a widely used by museums, charitable trusts, government agencies, educational institutions, and other inform attract various publics. This is a wide applicability. అంటే దాని అర్థం ఏమంటే చాలా వరకు ఈ వైడ్ పబ్లిక్ అప్లికబుల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ద్వారా. అంటే ఏవైనా ట్రస్టులు కావచ్చు, గవర్నమెంట్ కావచ్చు, గవర్నమెంట్ ఏజెన్సీస్ కావచ్చు, మ్యూజియంస్ కావచ్చు, సంస్థలు కావచ్చు, ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ కావచ్చు,